Hi there, my name's Cameron.
Hi, my name's Si. I'm one of the directors at RockKidz.
And we deliver the most amazing and engaging rock music workshops in primary schools all around the UK.
We worked with Ross McGill and Teacher Toolkit for 6 months.
Because we wanted to get our message out to more and more primary schools throughout the UK.
Ross communicated exactly what he wanted to do.
His expertise in marketing, in SEO, in social media has been invaluable to us, not just with the advice that he's given to us, but we've partnered with him on a bespoke marketing campaign to help us reach more and more schools.
He would have weekly Zoom calls with us. We even met up with him in person. He came to visit a school to see what we did, and it culminated in us generating 3.44 million impressions on blogs, videos, picture content. It was amazing.
Looking at things like marketing campaigns or social media campaigns can be quite intimidating for people who are maybe not super experienced in it. Ross really helped and gave us some really solid advice based on his experience.
So definitely get in touch with Ross McGill and Teacher Toolkit.
We would recommend working with Ross McGill and Teacher Toolkit to any small education business out there that's looking to reach more and more schools across the UK. Get in touch with Ross McGill via any of his social media handles.
You won't regret it.